Meaning of dramaturgy.
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 Dramaturgy. Dramaturgy refers to the study of dramatic composition and theatrical representation. It encompasses the art and techniques of creating plays, as well as the analysis and interpretation of dramatic works. The term is often used to describe the process of creating and developing a play, including aspects such as character development, plot structure, and dialogue. In addition, dramaturgy can also refer to the broader social and cultural context in which plays are produced, including issues related to audience reception, cultural interpretation, and political significance.